If you ever need to enter BIOS, but you do not know the special keys, here is a hidden Windows command that will take you straight into BIOS. No keys, no timing, just one command. Let's start by opening command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Now run this command: shutdown. R restarts the computer. FW forces the next boot to the firmware interface, which is BIOS. T3 restarts the computer with 3 seconds delay. Your PC will reboot directly into the BIOS screen. Drop a like and stay tuned for more command line secrets.